If your rear brakes need changing on your Mercedes that is fitted with electronic parking brake, the brakes will need to be put in service mode. And in this video I'm going to show you how to do it with the Autel Diagnostic tool. This is a really simple task. Most new Mercedes are protected by a gateway, and this is easily overcome simply by popping the bonnet in those cases. Turn on the ignition, connect up the diagnostic tool and search for your vehicle, and once a vehicle is found, select the Hot Functions tab and then the EPB electronic parking brake tab, and then once this loads up you will need to select the Move to Assembly Position tab, the one in the center that you can see right now, and this will open to a page that shows you the status of the parking brake and the rear calipers, and then it's just a case of selecting the F1 tab, and then the value on the right hand side will change, and you will notice on the dashboard that it states that the vehicle is in the electronic parking brake maintenance mode and the Autel states in assembly position. And then with the wheel off, using a pry bar or a suitable screwdriver, you should now be able to bar back the pistons really easily so that you can change the brakes. Pop off the front clip, undo the two 7mm retaining bolts at the back and lift the caliper away, and we can see here that these brakes are particularly badly worn. If you're just replacing the pads, give the carriers a really good clean. Love these wire brushes, and I'll pop a link in the description for you and just up here where you can get hold of them. Make sure that the sliders are free because these can cause no end of problems, and then fit the new brake pads. Pump up the pedal, and then all we need to do is go back to the Autel, turn the ignition on and release the maintenance mode by selecting F2. And once complete, it will give you the activation that the brakes are open, job done, and now the function of the handbrake should work as it did before, with the additional confirmation on the dashboard. This procedure applies to most Mercedes vehicles with the electronic parking brake. So, I hope that this video has helped you in the guidance of doing your rear brakes on your Mercedes. If this has been how to fix it, you can check out our website at howtofixit.co.uk, where you will find loads of information and parts and tools that used in all of our videos, and you can check out some of our other Mercedes videos right here, and we'll see you over there when you click.